Okay, I installed the shifter and the console. I mounted both sides brackets for the Pro Car seats. I cleaned up this floorboard. I finished this side, all the welds. And let me walk around the other side. The trunk is done. And the patch panel that I did, the rest is done. I also did the steering wheel and the column. So, yep. The next thing I'm going to do is actually paint the floor, the whole thing, with Rust-Oleum semi-gloss, like I did the trunk. And then I gotta tackle this big hole for the stereo we're putting in. So that's what we did, and yeah, it's coming out really sharp. We have the carpet and the sound deadener that we're gonna put down after the car comes back from the electrical shop. But yeah, this car is becoming really, really nice. So like and subscribe if you want. Leave comments, and always aloha to the next one, guys. This is Eddie from Eddie's Garage.